everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J, and today I am doing a black-owned beauty haul. And I picked up a good amount of stuff, and I'm excited to share everything with you all, get you all's feedback on everything, as well as get some recommendations because I'm always on the hunt for a new brand. So let me know some of your favorites, and let me know if you all have tried anything that I have picked up down in the comments section. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing is not a black-owned brand per se, but I would be remiss if I did not mention our auntie on the cover of Allure. Stunning. Do you all see how beautiful she looks on this cover? Oh my gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. She is the first makeup artist to grace a cover of Allure. And honestly, she may be the first makeup artist to grace a cover of any major publication because I've not seen it. I love to see it. Auntie Pat is that girl. I mean, she looks absolutely stunning, does she not? Look at that hat. She has her hair flowing in the back. And look at that makeup. I mean, just absolutely stunning. So congratulations to Auntie Pat. She is doing it. She is a creative, but she has also funneled that into her entrepreneurship, and now she's running things even more so than she was before. So I love it. I'm so inspired by her, and I want to be just like her when I grow up. I mean, I just want to be just like Auntie Pat. If you have not seen Auntie Pat on the cover of Allure and you happen to run into a copy of this on the newsstand, pick it up. Because this is memorabilia, because this is history. Honestly, it just is history. So I am just so excited to see this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dive into the article and read everything because as much as I love Pat McGrath, I don't know that much about her personally. So I am all here for her giving an interview, letting us in a little bit more. And I feel closer to her because also this month, she launched a new Apple playlist. And I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know why me and Chelsea, Glam Girl Chelsea, we had this conversation a while ago. We were like, I wonder what kind of music Pat McGrath likes to listen to. And I was like, Pat McGrath likes to listen to all the same kind of music that I like to listen to. You know, you sprinkle in a little bit of the old school, but also she sprinkled in a little bit of the city girls. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a balance there. So I was like, okay, so I'm here with Pat McGrath. I am here. Me and her can hang. I need to get a proper sleeve for it, but for now, she's going in here. Next is a mask that was sent to me from Carbon Plus, and this one is called Le Masque Coco. And this one is a purifying coconut charcoal mask. And thank you so much, Carbon Plus, for reaching out to me and sending me this mask. And as I was reading over their website with everything, I thought they sounded like such a cool brand. So it says that this is natural skincare handcrafted in Africa for melanin-rich skin. So I'm very, very anxious to use this. It says that this mask is for all skin types. It has essential oils that nourish your skin and protect it against environmental pollution. This has coconut charcoal in it. It says the secret concentrated anti-aging formula from African activated coconut charcoal purifies your skin, leaving it fresh and hydrated. It says that it is supposed to detoxify and renew your skin without irritation by drawing out impurities and leaving you feeling extra fresh. So the coconut says that it's 100% organic, shell-activated coconut, and it detoxifies the skin. This also has chamomile oil, which protects the skin from pollution, and it has volcanic ions, which illuminate your skin's complexion. So I am so excited to use this. I'm over here trying to open it up without tearing up the box. This is what it looks like. Really cool. It smells exactly like what I would think it smells like. It smells like vanilla a little bit, but that's probably that coconut mixed with the charcoal. So I really am excited to use this. Thank you again for sending this over. I will have a link to their website down below. Next, I ordered this product from Base Butter, and it came in so fast. So this one is called the Radiate Face Jelly. It is a balancing daily moisturizer. And on the jar it says, don't hate, radiate. Our lightweight moisturizer will revitalize your daily routine as our formula rejuvenates, restores, and protects your skin. Aloe vera gel is balanced to match your skin's natural pH between 4.2 and 5.8. Evening Primrose boosts skin's elasticity with omega-6 fatty acids. Lavender regulates sebum secretion, and tea tree penetrates skin to disinfect. The result, a face that makes you look and feel alive. Balancing, refreshing, purifying, hydrating, soothing, and moisturizing. So this is a jelly moisturizer. And this sounded very intriguing to me because, as you all may know, I have combination skin. So I don't like a moisturizer that's too heavy. In the wintertime, though, I do like something that's just a little bit more moisturizing. I love the way that this feels. It feels very smoothing, and it makes my skin feel hydrated without making it feel wet, and it's not thin, so it's not like it's just sliding around doing nothing, but then it's not thick, so my skin doesn't feel suffocated. It doesn't have a strong smell. It kind of gives me a little bit of a baby powder kind of feel. Not too much. Like I have to really, really inhale to smell that. But I love, love, love how silky smooth it leaves the skin feeling. So I'm excited to incorporate this into my daily skincare routine. I got a heavy order here. It's not very many things in this order, but the box is still heavy. So that's a good sign. I ordered some candles from the Harlem Candle Company, which is a Black-owned candle company. And their entire aesthetic is just completely interesting to me because everything looks like it's from Harlem. It looks like it's from the 1930s, you know, a time where things were just more regal. You can close your eyes and inhale these candles and it feels like you are back during that time period. I love the inside packaging right off the bat. It says, in this section of Harlem, there are clubs opening and closing at all times. There's too many to put them all on this map. And it has a little bit of history sprinkled in there, so I love it. So I got a set. It came with 3 in the set. One of them is Speak Easy. And it says this one is the essence of bourbon and Palo Santo. So this is a soy blend candle. It's a scented candle, bougie parfum. It's 12 ounces. And so it has a little bit of information here on the card. It says, Speak Easy evokes the night, its mysterious and forbidden touch. It is inspired by the secretive nightclubs during the peak of prohibition in Harlem. This rich and dynamic scent is intoxicating with fragrance notes of Palo Santo, bourbon, dark chocolate, and plum blossom. Allow this tantalizing fragrance to whisk you away to a 1920s Harlem speakeasy. Ooh. Y'all, this smells so good. It's so rich and you can tell that there was a lot of thought that went into this. I like this for a candle. For a home scent, it smells warm, it smells sexy, it smells inviting, it smells purple. Would there be anybody alive that was able to go to a speakeasy in the 1920s? Let's see, 1920, that was 100 years ago, so nope. Couldn't even ask anybody like, hey, how similar is this? If you were born in 1920, that was 101 years ago. So yeah, they're all gone. But I can only imagine how fun and exciting it would be to sneak into a speakeasy and get your dance on. This is what it would smell like. Everybody in there is just sophisticated, having a good time, dancing to the music, having a live band, drinking their bourbon, minding their Black-owned business. Let me move on to the other 2. Next, I got Josephine, and I knew I had to have Josephine because my great-grandmother's middle name was Josephine, so I was like, I have to have that one. Josephine is inspired by the legendary Josephine Baker's Boudoir. This warm, sensual scent opens with a vibrant bergamot, blending into a heart of lush Moroccan rose and Indian jasmine. Amber, sweet tonka bean, and precious sandalwood provide a beautiful finish as exquisite as Josephine herself. If you all do not know who Josephine Baker is, you can go ahead and pause this video, go look up Josephine Baker, and come back. Oh, I like this one a lot too. This one is definitely more feminine than Speak Easy is, but I think I like Speak Easy more just because I do enjoy a more masculine scent. And this one is a little bit more interesting to me. This one kind of smells like a rosy baby powder, which I like it. It smells beautiful. And of course, the packaging is beautiful as well. I love, love, love this cranberry shade. It's good. It's very good. And the last one that came in the set is Ellington. And it says, our Ellington fragrance is a tribute to Duke Ellington, the vibrant Harlem legend who infused the neighborhood and the world with a new kind of music and energy. It opens with juicy bergamot, tangy cinnamon, and crisp clary sage that melts into a luminous heart of the lily of the valley, heady rose, and fresh lavender. It finishes with a warm swinging base of spicy patchouli, crystalline amber, and soft skin musk. giving me Duke. Y'all, this smells like a grown man. You know, like just a manly man who got up in the morning. He got up and read the paper and drank coffee, played the piano on his free time. He always had a hat, maybe smoked a cigar or two. It's giving me granddaddy vibes, but I like it. Smells good. I believe Duke Ellington was the man back in the day. And this reminds me of him. I've never met him, don't know anybody that knew him. But this is him right here. This is it. But if I'm ranking, it has to be Speakeasy first, and then Ellington, and then Josephine. But all of them are amazing. I can tell that these are going to fill up the room. I'm so excited to burn these. As a matter of fact, I just might burn Ellington right now. Hold on, I'll be right back. I did it. And if you all do not have an electric lighter and you love candles, what are you doing? Get you one. Get one. I also wanted to include my JD Glow eyeshadows because I feel like I have been talking about these to Audra and Emily Hand for forever. And they have been telling me which ones to get. We've been going back and forth like, okay, get this one, get that one. But then when they had their Black Friday sale, or Pink Friday sale rather, I just was like, you know what? I'm just going to get pretty much all of the ones that I can. So all the ones that were in stock, I went ahead and I grabbed them. So these are some eyeshadows from the Galaxy collection. And then I bought all of the multi-chromes because they had a little bundle. So if you all want to see a full dedicated video to JD Glow's eyeshadows, I got you. I'm so excited to finally have these in my collection. And all I need now is a palette, which I went ahead and I ordered one so I can, you know, display them beautifully. Because right now they're just in their singular pouches, but I'm excited to have them. I'm only missing a few out of the ones that I absolutely knew I had to have, which were the Galaxy ones and the multi-chrome ones, because those just have a color shift out of this world. I actually used one on my lid right now. I know you all are like, Kelsey, what's on your eyes? I did a tutorial. Yes, I did. I will have it linked down below, so definitely check that out. But I cannot wait to get to swatching and playing and using those eyeshadows. So let me know if you all want to see a dedicated video to the ones that I purchased. Y'all, my candle is smelling good in the background. I'm excited. So now let's talk about my order that I placed on Nordy's. Let me just tell you what I'm most excited about, okay? So let me open this up. Cannot wait to use it. I mean, cannot wait. I've been holding off just because I didn't want to use it and then come back and have it all used and stuff on the video. Okay, so this is it. This is by Love Scrub. It is a mesh body exfoliator. And it says the Love Scrub has been a tradition in West Africa for generations. It will clean and exfoliate your skin like no other. I've been using it for over 30 years and I'm excited to share the love with you, XOXO Caroline. So some little tidbits about this. It says that it's a unique texture. It's great for removing dead skin cells. The large size can easily scrub your back. The length stretches up to 50 inches, is long lasting, and it has amazing lather capabilities. And I am so interested in this because I am all here for exfoliation. Now, I know y'all are like, okay, what's the difference between this and a loofah? This has a different texture from a loofah. It has larger nets, it feels different, and it's supposed to exfoliate and get your skin all the way together. I'm like, wait, does it smell good? No, I'm still smelling that candle. But I love the history of this. I've seen these before because my grandparents are really into all things African, so they've exposed me to a lot of things in the past. And when I saw this being sold at Nordstrom, I'm like, yes, easy access. I've been wanting to try this, so I'm so excited to do it. I actually might just go take a shower right now just so I can try it out. Like as soon as I'm done with this video, it's shower time. Super hyped to try this out. This one is a hand butter. I put it back in the case just so, you know, presentation for the video. So this is by 54 Thrones. This is their Kenyan Hibiscus plus Moroccan Rose hand butter. And y'all, look at this packaging. This packaging is speaking to my millennial heart. All right, so that's what drew me in the first place. Plus, when I saw that it had rose and it had a little bit of shea butter situation going on, I was all here for it. But y'all, I can't get this to come out for nothing. Oh my God, I am squeezing. Woo. I can't get this to come out. I have to call on my ancestors to give me strength to get this out of here because it's not coming out. This is brand new. And I mean, I'm giving it all that I got. Okay, I got a little bit out. So this is something that possibly could have gone in a jar. It smells like shea butter. You know, just classic straight up shea butter. The price wasn't very expensive, but it just took too much effort to get it out. So I just don't know if I'm going to be able to use that. And I don't know if all of them are like this, or do I have a dud? If you all have ever tried this, let me know. But definitely the packaging is what got me. And then it's called butter. And then it says something about a little bit of hibiscus and rose. I am squeezing this! And it's barely coming out. Let me know if you tried it. Just let me know. I actually had to open this one. This product is from a brand called Ipara. And it says that this is a verb. It means to cocoon. The origin is from Africa. It says this silky smooth cleanser softens and moisturizes the skin while removing makeup and impurities. Plant extracts and botanical brighteners target imperfections and even skin tone, leaving skin feeling nourished. So I am so excited to try this. This is a cleansing lotion. Let me actually go ahead and open it. Where are my scissors? Oh, here they are. I cannot wait to go use this. You should gently massage this onto the face and then wipe it off. Use daily. So it's a cleanser. Let me smell it. Ooh. That has a very interesting smell. It smells like it comes straight from the motherland. Y'all, I'm so excited to go use this. I don't know what to do. I'm about to go wash my face. I'm going to go get in the shower and wash and get clean. And then I got another little something from their brand. This one is their Brightening Night Balm. And I most definitely will be using this tonight. This is a nighttime moisturizer that is supposed to brighten the complexion. So let me open. Y'all, I love this packaging. I really do. Look at this box. Ooh. Brightening Night Balm. Let me smell this. This smells very similar to the last product, but it has a little bit more of a sweeter scent. Just a little bit. Look what comes down here. A little thingamabob to scoop it out. A scooper. Yes. This skincare line harnesses precious botanicals, essential oils, and plant extracts to create bespoke treatments for the face and body. Each product in the range has been handcrafted using nature's healing, antioxidizing, and nurturing properties to moisturize, heal, and pamper your skin from head to toe. I'm going to scoop some out, and I'm going to try it out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I dropped my scooper. Yeah, my hands are going to be lit because I've been trying all the things on my hands, which is good because, honey, they be dry. Ooh. Ooh. That feels decadent. Okay, wait a minute. My hand already feels soft, but now this one feels extremely soft. Wow. Cannot wait to go try out all of my new products. Y'all know I'm over here loving, and I do mean loving, my candle. So I'm excited to have all of these new goodies. Let me know if you all have any more recommendations for me because I'm always on the hunt for new products. I will have all of these products linked down below. So let me know if you all plan on picking up anything. And I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.